You've finished your edit, but now you're faced with this confusing screen. Welcome back to day 25. Final Cut Pro for Beginners, a 30-day foundational video series. What do all these export settings mean? In under 3 minutes, we'll break down the 3 most important settings for any beginner. Let's focus on the essentials. First is format. This determines the type of file that will be created. For sharing online, you'll almost always want to choose computer. This will create a universal .mp4 file that can play anywhere. Next, there's video codec. A codec is how the video is compressed. The most common and compatible codec for the web is H.264. It gives you great quality with a manageable file size. Finally is resolution. This is simply the size of your video. 1920 x 1080, also known as 1080p, is the standard for HD video and is perfect for platforms like YouTube. So, for a beginner sharing online, just remember these 3 things: format, computer, codec, H.264, resolution, 1920 x 1080. That's all you need to know to get started. Now that you understand the settings, it's time to actually export your video. In the next lesson, we'll walk through the final steps to create your finished video file. Like and subscribe so you don't miss day 26.